I'm Rob with CFS. Today we're going to be showing you a new product. It is a zero clearance table insert. This happens to be the RIDGID model 4221. In this video we're going to show you how to install it. And here we go. To save a little time, we remove the screws that hold down the standard OEM table insert. There'll be a link in the description below for this product and all the other stuff, accessories we make for miter saws. You'll be reusing the screws that hold the original one in, and you'll use the standard wrench that comes with the saw itself. Make sure these are snugged. They should be just at or just below the surface of the insert. There you go. That is now installed. It's that easy. We're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Guys, if you like our content, please subscribe, share us. If you need the best, you need to choose CFS. Thank you.